Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to North Country Off-Grid. We have an exciting video that you guys get to participate in.
It's gonna be fun. I'm excited about it.
So we're gonna be doing a big giveaway, guys. We're gonna be doing our 30,000 subscriber giveaway, and we've got some goodies for you guys here to give away. Now what we're doing is a duck race.
Ducks.
So we had a couple lucky winners last night get in early. We got Outdoors with Eric. He's in on the channel race, and we got Shirts Livestock. Those guys are in on the subscriber race.
So exciting. So we've been talking about it, but now we want to lay it all out there for you guys and let you know exactly what this is going to be, because it's going to be a ton of fun.
Yeah, we got to get the official rules in, figure out how you guys can participate, and what you need to do to get in on it.
So we really have appreciated how much support you guys have all given us, and we have a new goal of getting to that 30,000 mark. So if you guys can help us out, we're gonna get there, and we're gonna have a lot of fun when we get there, and you guys get to get some really cool packages.
Okay, so first up, guys, we're gonna go for the if you guys have a channel and you want to get in on the channel race, here is your guys' prize package. Okay, we're gonna be giving you guys a GoPro. You guys are gonna get a new GoPro in a new bundle pack. This is all of our stuff that we use, but you get kind of the same gear in it. You get a bunch of gear in the bundle pack to help you with different angles, different locations, just different accessories to help you guys out and create better videos, or create a little bit more creative videos.
Yeah.
This GoPro is completely waterproof. So that whole encasing can go in the water, out of the water, no problem. It has a little trap door on the side, and if that gets opened and it goes underwater, then you might have ruined it. But we love this, guys, because we work out in the weather. If it starts raining, I don't have to stop, or I don't have to cover it up. If we go fishing, we can do videos where it can get wet and it doesn't ruin our camera. So if you don't have a GoPro, and a waterproof GoPro at that, for your channel, this is going to help you with your channel. You're gonna get really cool shots. These provide excellent shots under the water.
And wide range too.
Yeah, you got different angles you can choose from. You can also do whatever, read the features when you get it.
It's cool. It's cool if you're gonna get your channel going. It's a great little camera. If you also already have an existing channel and already have a GoPro, it's nice to have another GoPro to get another angle. So
yeah,
I think either way, for a channel, having another GoPro is just a huge plus.
Yeah, you can't beat it.
So that's what we're doing for you guys, and we wanted to come up with things that, you know, would be exciting for you guys to have, and I think that for a channel, this is a pretty cool package to be able to win. So to be able to win it, you need to...
Well, first you got to subscribe to this channel. You must be subscribed to North Country Off-Grid, guys. And what you're going to have to do is do a shout out video with a link to this video to help other people get here and figure out how they can win this GoPro as well for their channel. Or if they're some of your subscribers, they're going to be in on the next race in the next prize pack. This one that we're going to talk about in a minute.
So you also need to send us a duck in the mail with your name on it, so it can enter in our duck race.
And you guys can deck them out. I've got Eric's information all over. Since we gave this one to him, I went ahead and decked out his duck for him. We named it Ned last night. And then if you guys are, whatever you guys decide to do, if you are a channel and you want to get in on a channel race, you can, but you'll also be able to get in on the viewer subscriber race, because we have some different qualifications for that. So you get in on two. So if you guys send us a duck, make sure you use, shut up, rooster. Make sure you guys use a permanent marker, a Sharpie, because these are going to be going in the water and they are going to be getting stored for a little bit. So make sure you're using permanent marker. Make sure we can read who you are. And then just send us an email with a link to the video you made for us, guys, and you are in once we receive your duck.
Yes. So once we get the duck, we're going to be going up a creek, and we're going to be having a starting point where all of the channel ducks will start off at the exact same point, and they will come to a finish line. And whoever gets to that finish line first is our winner. So it's a big, exciting, fun, real duck race.
So now for the other half of the giveaway. This one is for the subscribers, the viewers, for all of you guys who watch all of our videos. We really appreciate your participation. So we put together a prize pack that we wanted to show our appreciation for it. And so we've got some stuff here that's very us, very North Country.
Yeah, and with you guys in mind, what we think that you guys would really appreciate getting our channel out there and helping us reach our goal of 30,000.
Yeah, so for you guys, we're going to show you this prize pack here in a minute, but for you guys, all we want you guys to do is to share this video in your social media.
So what you'll do is you'll share this video, and then you will also tag North Country Off-Grid Facebook page, so we know that you've shared it, because if you have a private page, it's not going to allow us to be able to see that it was shared. So if you tag our Facebook page on it, then we should be able to see that you have done that.
So if you guys are a family of 5 and you have 5 different social media accounts, you guys can send us 5 different ducks. That's 5 different entries into the race for a family. So that's totally acceptable. Anyone who has a social media account, send us a duck and you're in.
Send us a duck and you're in to win all of this great stuff. So this...
We're going through it?
Yep, we're going through it. So this is a Dutch oven, but this is a more modern day Dutch oven, which I have found to be easier to cook in. Now I'm really digging into cooking on Dutch ovens, but it took me a little while to get there. So I feel like this...
So it's porcelain.
Yes.
It's porcelain over the top of cast iron.
And I use this all the time, so it's not perfectly clean. We will be sending you guys...
You get a clean one.
We will be sending you guys your brand new own, but this one I use all the time. But yeah, it's great. I cook so much stuff on it, on the stove or even on the camp chef. So I love these, and I really think that our winner will love one as well.
Okay, so showing you guys my favorite addition to this thing. Some of you guys told us about this. Our coffee experience was taking too long, and you guys suggested, oh, get a French press. And guys, that is the best thing we've ever done.
You changed our lives.
Yeah, so we're going to send you guys one of these as well. You're going to get yourself a French press.
Yes.
Dipping inside. Well, hold on a second.
Okay.
Let's show you something North Country that you're going to get.
Yeah, we want you guys to be decked out too.
Guys, we're gonna give you a North Country Off-Grid t-shirt. That is our logo there, same as our stickers. You're gonna get a t-shirt.
Woohoo, that's exciting. So what you'll do is you'll just send us your size if you're the winner, and we'll get you out a t-shirt for you too.
We've got some other stuff that is stuff that we like to use, and we haven't really shown you guys all of the stuff we're about to show you, but we use it a lot. So let's go through it. We got you guys some Idaho stuff, just some stuff from around this area that is very Idaho. One of those things that's big in Idaho is huckleberry jam.
Yeah.
Huckleberry jam is a big deal in Idaho.
It is
so we
yummy.
stopped and got you guys this little jar of huckleberry jam. User friendly. You're gonna love it. There's nothing better than huckleberry jam. So keeping in the North Country swag, of course you're getting a sticker. We're sending you a North Country Off-Grid sticker. And if you guys have a couple people in your family, you want a couple of stickers, let us know. We'll send a couple. If you've been following the channel for a little bit, you know that silver plays a little bit of a role in the homesteading arena for us. You know, it's sort of a rainy day stash away. And we got started because someone gave us some silver. So we're going to return the favor, and you guys are going to get some silver coins. Now, these are some foreign coins. They're not 100% silver. There's 4 in there. But that'll get you guys started on some silver collecting. Hopefully maybe feel that fire.
I like it. What else do we got?
So next up is, it is a spice that we use all the time. And for some reason we just haven't really showed you guys. But we will stick this stuff on our meat, in our chili. I've eaten it on our eggs. It is unbelievable. This is Big Mike's seasoning. This is their prime rib. This is their prime rib rub. You can use it as steak seasoning. You can use it as a prime rib rub. Guys, we use it on so much stuff. It's unbelievable flavor. I wish you could smell it.
It is really good.
It smells amazing. When you crack this open, everyone around you is kind of like, what is that? So we're gonna send this out to you guys. You're gonna love it. Give us feedback on this after you try it too, but you're gonna love it. If you guys need more of this, there's contact information on there. You can order it from the guy. The guy's my cousin. Good stuff though. You guys will love it.
Absolutely, it's really good.
You know, the last item here is It's Idaho friendly. You get yourself an Idaho beer, soda koozie. Little Idaho potato.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
We just want to send you guys kind of like a package that feels like North Country kind of showed up at your door.
Yeah. So what do you think? That's a pretty good package, huh?
That is a pretty good package. I think it's really good.
But wait.
Is there more?
There's more.
There's more.
Guys, as you know, we are big fans of certain tools, certain knives out here, and we're not leaving you guys out. You're getting a buck knife.
Woohoo!
Let's open this bad boy up.
Holy smokes, you guys. We want to hook you up, and we hope that you feel like you're getting hooked up because we really appreciate it.
Yeah, you guys are going to get hooked up. You know what? It doesn't matter the color. It always turns red if you're using it right anyway. But
well,
you get a buck knife, guys. You can't beat it. These are sweet little knives. Nice quality blade. Made by Buck right here in Post Falls, North Idaho.
Yes. Even if you are a guy, you've got a lady that would really appreciate that, or mom, Mother's Day is coming up, so can never go wrong with a buck knife.
All right, guys, so there's your 2 prize packs. We really appreciate you helping us grow the channel. We're excited to hit 30,000 subs. We are gonna keep going after that, but we wanted to make this real fun for you guys. It's a milestone number, so we've got some cool stuff for you. And the whole duck race is just going to be a fun theme. We're going to find a creek up here in North Idaho and send them down the creek. It's not going to be an easy creek, guys. So you guys got to think about your duck science, okay? We got a bigger duck. Is it going to move a little faster? Is the smaller duck going to ride up on top and move quicker? Is the bigger duck going to get stuck in the branches? Because there are branches and there are rocks. So maybe a little duck gets through.
And you're going to want to do things to make your duck stand out. So while you're watching the race, you'll be looking for your own duck. So you get to enter by doing the video for us or sharing on social media. But also, we will have a couple of extra ducks that we will be giving away during live shows and everything like that. So
bonus ducks.
Bonus ducks. So Eric from Outdoors
with Eric.
He can enter his own duck and make his own video. So then that way
so he could make his own video, and he can do the
subscriber.
Yeah, but he can share on his social media, so he'll actually have a total of 3 ducks in the race.
Yeah. Yep, so be paying attention to our live streams because you'll have an extra additional chance to win
bonus ducks.
Bonus ducks. So we are super excited. We really appreciate you guys, and we're excited to have a little bit of fun with getting us to this 30,000 milestone.
Guys, thank you so much. Make sure you let us know how you shared our video, whether it is the video or whether you shared it on social media. Just make sure we're aware of it so that you guys can be entered. And don't forget to deck your duck.
It'll be fun. We're excited.